First, the top news headlines. Some external forces attempting to incite hatred among people of Manipur, says Arkenimai. Concerned citizens from Northeast stage protest against Citizenship Amendment Act at Jantar Mantar. And after Imachinghi, indigenous bay leaf herbal tea getting popular in Manipur. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Retired IS Arkenimai stated that demands based on ethnic lines could trigger bloodshed and that it is the sole duty of the elected representatives to make good laws and nothing else. Arkenimai made this statement during a consultative meeting on present political situation of Manipur, what shall be done. It was organized by Yelhomi Thaupe Kabolekai at the Youth Hostel Kulampag. The retired IAS officer also said that some external forces have been attempting to incite hatred among the people of the state, which has a long and glorious history. He was upset over demands based on ethnic lines that have sprung up among different groups in Manipur. Nimai also slammed the government for allegedly ignoring collective responsibility, which leads to curtailing the trust of the people in the government. He asserted that MLAs must understand duty of lawmakers as people need good governance.
Collective responsibility Minister of Education is hired. 164 is the collective responsibility.
During the one-day consultative program, retired ISW Chandrakumar talked about the demand of Autonomous Territorial Council in Manipur based on ethnic lines and its impact on other communities of Manipur. Former Minister Orjoy delivered a topic on ethnic-based Autonomous Territorial Council in Manipur and its impact on Manipur's administration, while retired IASP Dhanakumar talked on the restoration of ILP reenactment of permit system 1950, Manipur's People's Bill, scheduled tribe status or pre-merger political status of Manipur.
अखोई हजिक ओइरिबि फिबम सिदा अखोई आईएलपी चनरकपगी वाफम लैरि सीए चनरकपगी वाफम अदुगा शेड्यूल ट्राइब की वाफम अदुगा पीपल्स प्रोटेक्शन बिल की अदिगी हारिबा अखोई लेंगालोनगी खुनाइलोनगी मायोन अहोंब के लाकदब फिबम तांकक असिदा अखोई कदोम द खोंग थांगदगे अखोई करी करी खुसिल थोरांग दौरगांदा अखोई हानादगी कुकल पांगना कोई अपन में थोड़ा आमगल लोने न पानमिन रखी बे येलो मी फुरुप मयाम से करम न तंग पुंछन बे यागदगे कोई तंग चखल लमजिन सिदा पुन याउमिन बे यागदगे हाइबेगी वाफम दुदा येलो मी थोपैना सिगुम्बा नोमगी ओइबा खननेना बा सि पांगथोकसबन.
A peaceful protest was taken out by concerned citizens of India from the Northeast region against Citizenship Amendment Act CAA today at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi. A large number of Northeast students from different universities in the national capital and students leaders from across the Northeast participated in the protest. Professor Bimola Koizam from JNU addressed the crowd. He explained why CAA is becoming a contentious law for the entire Northeast. He claimed that the centre's main agenda behind the law is nothing but a process of nation building in the name of Hindu Rashtra.
Sigi nangi live voice implication में हम लोग पूरा का नाना पढ़ने वाले खले तो नाना सुनता है
Manipur Students Association Delhi Masad condemned clamping of 144 CRPs in Manipur's Imphal West in the wake of anti-CAA protest. The association also pledged that they will continue agitation till CAA is scrapped.
Manipur Minister Amadi, India government is Masama the Kanguni, the Senaka, President, indigenous population is whole Yabse, Kana, Mokoki, Puppet or Mokoki, support of the pastor, Manipur, Alpisa, how don't torment Senaka, Kaini.
Tawdabani we am nagli citizenship amendment asi gi mayokta Manipur da hojik irang khara hoba pasida Manipur da paliba papet ji masi head of the state oiba chief minister Birena irang horo panam thana bagi dama kari ma hojik force yamna democratic or mong na peaceful or mong na changsin liba sinan violence yaw da bida changsin liba matam asida mana irang asi bunam thaba ya na na ha ani palista section 144 lauthok pasi Manipur sin association Delhi ne strongly condemn tawjai Manipur da lai biriba chinina sing then the world gi maham maham khudimang ta lai Manipur gi diaspora sing so wangang bi duna ihaw sing asida support tawiyu adu
Northeast ki khonjel ame adjust tawna bai damakta aikoina sinjal angje bani open invitation ni organization khudimangta masida ngasi gi sinjal ki ga protest da naga gi oiba group mayam yaure kuki gi oiba yaure atopa Manipur gi outside gi oindi Assam gi Arunachal gi Meghalaya gi Mizoram gi Sikkim gi loina yaure even particular team Tripura gi phawa yauna ngasi speech piram me aisa so yauna speech pizza ki bani
like people protesting in the Northeast are xenophobic and so on and so forth. So we want to bring in our own voice, which is very complex. There will be disagreements and so on that we find. However, we want people of the rest of this country to acknowledge. So we thought, and he's from Manipur, so there will be a mixed bunch of people coming from different positions, but one where we actually stand together is that we need to get the context of Northeast out. We need to get the narratives of Northeast out and come together against this act that is actually threatening not only the secular.
Sanasam Birendra Singh, after successfully launching traditional Manipuri herbal shampoo Ima Chinghi in 2016, is now producing indigenous bay leaf herbal tea using raw materials found in the state. TOMTV executive editor Santi Salam has an exclusive report.
Are you a tea lover? Well, as for me, I would like to start my day by inhaling the exotic aroma of herbal tea. And sipping a hot cup of herbal tea just refreshes my body, mind and soul. Perfect for this season. Whether it's a delicate green tea or bracing Assam black tea or white tea, a cup of tea is a complex brew of art. Let's find it out from the expert.
Sanasam Birendra Singh was born in a lovely village of Irungbam in Bishnupur district in 1959 and served as a functional manager KVI in the Commerce and Industries Department, Government of Manipur. He actively involved in promoting young entrepreneurs, artisans and craftspersons of the state during his 32 years of service. Birendra, after his retirement from the service, launched traditional Manipuri herbal shampoo popularly known as Ima Chinghi in 2016. After this successful product, he consulted with horticulture scientist ICAR to produce indigenous bay leaf herbal tea.
Have you always had a passion for tea?
I am an uncommon person, please don't mind. Because since childhood, I have never been taking any kind of tea. What if the other people are taking tea? Instead, I have been longing for producing a kind of herbal tea, which is not having the caffeine nor pep.
Was there a light bulb moment? How did you start this herbal tea?
Yes.
Yes.
It is very unforgettable and most remarkable moments in my life. That was on 22nd November 2018. One MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, was signed between director and Prakash of the ICAR and between me, means Divine Enterprise.
Can you tell us about the ingredients that you use for your herbal tea?
It is very simple. These ingredients or raw materials, so-called raw materials, are easily available. These are grown in Manipur at valley and hill area. Number one is bay leaf, so-called tejpata. And then another one is ginger. Then third one is cardamom or this elaichi. It is also very useful for human health. Then this dalchini. It is not difficult at all for collecting and for getting such raw material. And one plus point is this, that these are all not cultivated. It is wild growth, and naturally it is organic and very useful for our human health.
What was the biggest challenge you faced while launching your herbal tea business?
Yes, at the very outset, that was very hard for me. It took 5-6 months together, for which I approached the ICR people, ICR scientists. They have developed the technology and the know-how for producing this herbal tea by using that 4 different raw materials, as I said. They examined through their own laboratory. And then later on, they have developed fully the very technology for producing this herbal tea.
What is the best thing about being your own boss?
It is a very wonderful question, because I was serving in government department for a brief period of 32 years, the prime of my life span when doing government job. And this is my second innings, because by the time I was very much dependent. But when I switch over the rest of my life as an entrepreneur, I become boss. So I become a boss.
Tell us about your future plans and how are you planning to expand this indigenous tea across?
Yes, because according to the MOU signed between ICR scientists and our divine enterprise, there are lots of aspects and avenue in future, because only we are putting these 4 ingredients, main ingredients, as I have said you earlier, and then now we are producing some more varieties based on the taste of the locally available raw materials.
By virtue of his position, Birendra had a chance to interact with many successful entrepreneurs and artisans from all over the country during national and international exhibitions, workshops and seminars during 2001 to 2006. Revivalist Birendra has become a proud owner of 2 lovely products, all based on bioresources of the state. His dream is to transform wealth from West. Age is not a factor. Most important is the idea and action the 65-year-old feels.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next. After 3 decades, much to the delight of people, operation of Pump House number 1 at Ningthokong resumes from today.
Sengdok Saba, Aihak Tongbram Rockison Singh, son of Tiratan Singh, Thangmiban Hizam Lekai Dalaiba, Aihakna, Lamjingba Group Kamari Amatalina, Company Giming Season Aduna, Toxom Pretty Kobi, Laifamna, Kongba Kitri Lekai Dalaiba Mongondagi, Lamjingba Group ta Tabak Toba Saduna, Tabak Happy Gani Haina Paisalo Toklure, Lona Yadaba, offer letter Sarga, Director Gi Signature Saduna Pirubidamak, Company Amadi, Lona Yadaba Tabak Taurubidamak, Aihak, Lamjingba Group Ki Mafam da Sengdok Sari, Amadi, Masigi Matanga, Company na Lokalakpa Action Kudimak, Isana Yazare Haina, Sahi Tauzari.
The Chopstick Buddies, authenticity of China, now at Imphal. The Chopstick Buddies is a corner store in the Brewbags family, recognized for its classic Chinese foods, personalized atmosphere, excellent service and genial staff members. We offer a range of vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods prepared by expert chefs using fresh and quality ingredients. Please come and visit for the best Chinese cuisines at Imphal, Soibamlekai Jenims Road, Porompat, Imphal East, or contact us at 8731847066.
Young what?
Soktabana Lodi.
Wabdo Koknaba Rebalance.
Soktabadu Koknaba Rebalance. Rebalance the Haksang Soul, Amadi electrolyte singi Awapa Mekatuna, Adongi Haksang would take the Tambangamali. Rebalance Habadi, electrolytes Amadi energy.
Chasingi Marakta, Miyam Kangaraba, Gambhiras, Valley Strong City, Anoba Chagi Mana Sing the Gisaba, Asingba Amadi Mahau Leraba, Valley Strong Tea Asibu, Mahau Lobi Navagidamak, Nasimak Lebiu, Anoba Technica, Season Aduna Simzariba, Gambhiras, Valley Strong City. City asi gram chama chani yangkai amadi chamangagi peketa makal kaya thokna fanganjari. Cha asigi mahau lobi na bagidamak ngasimak leibiu Gambhiras Valley Strong City.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba taugzari. Ambulance service asina miyam da pizariba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa hospital dagi yumda puthaba hospital amadagi hospital amada puba yum thangnariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lauba loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yaraba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani. Masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari adom sunga simak sep taushin biu aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga play store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Wedding sets krayenge.
Sure, ma'am. Sigi sets anu yorokuni, ma'am. Kimbi.
Sisam phazadro. Sisam phazadro che. Yam elegance ui.
Mobile furniture na wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chaw pijari.
Thare di si korsia. Bhaiya che seri korsi. Sei se booking tak senjar.
Welcome back after the break. After 3 decades, much to the delight of the people, operation of the pump house number 1 at Ningthokong resumed today and started supply of irrigation water. Oinam MLA and Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board L. Radhakishore Singh, Bishnupur Constituency BJP Election Campaign Committee President N. Sana Jauba, Social Worker S. Jiban and other officials witnessed the pump house number 1 functioning again after long years. Talking to media, L. Radhakishore said that drought attributed to low crop yield this time in the state, for which the government has adopted alternate cropping to help meet the need of the masses. He added that the pump house will provide irrigation water to LLI Imphal Canal and Moirang low-level canal.
Prajasinga thopira kanduda arema lopham singa se aikona tha taruk leiriba dry season gi laiba rabi crop ki ikang matam gi Thabia Maru Marang Singasi, Magi Lopum Singasi, a quite tabuk su Natri Hargana Carino, Maquina Pangba, say, financial 8 euro. Karingum Makapang, the Kalegas of Quaitum Toksekeba. Madugi, Haidiba, Sakana Pakaliba, the Prazana, Topiraga, Prazasina, Apamba, Prazasina, Supernomisida, Sakana Pangsalag, and is a Punasalaga de Equi, Libus 2020 gi, a quite what Kibagi, a Wabasity, later away, Haitana, Buildozeri.
Apunba Tingbang Loop Manipur today extended basic daily items to mentally challenged 40-year-old Konthausam Prem Chandra and his widowed mother from Moirang Kampu Sajep Makhalikai Imphal. Apunba Tingbang Loop Manipur has been helping the poor in the state. The group appealed to all philanthropists in the state to help the poverty-stricken family. A 2-day seminar on libraries at the Crossroad, Revamped, Innovate and Make Sustainable concluded today at the Manipur State Archives Hall, Kaisampat, Imphal. The event that began yesterday was organized by Manipur Library Association, Mala, in association with Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Kolkata, Ministry of Culture, Government of India and Department of Art and Culture, Manipur Government. Talking at the event today, Mala President Kangzam Chauba expressed concern over students in Manipur failing to get the real test and experience of a good library. He maintained that internet has brought a lot of changes today. However, the state lacks many facilities, including library. He expressed unhappiness over failure of proper functioning of some of the district libraries due to the shortage of manpower.
अखोई मणिपुर की छात्र छात्री सिंगना अफबा लाइब्रेरी की महाउदो मधु खंबंगमदे अदना मधु मियाम द खंगननबा पृथ्वी की अतई द लाइब्रेरी से असुकी मथिक चौखट खरे अहोंग मयाम लाखरे अदुबु मणिपुर ददी अखोई यामना सोथन लेरी हायना अदुगुंबा मधु मियाम द खंगननबगी पांडम द अखोइना ngasiगी नुमिन निनीगी वेबा सेमिनार से मसी पांगथोक जबनी.
Joint Non-Government Voluntary Organization JNGVO and All Kaching Students Union AKSU in collaboration with Kaching Municipal Council organized a poster campaign today at popular picnic spots for New Year celebration along Sengmai River in Kaching. During the campaign, members of the two groups urged people not to litter waste, especially plastic waste, along the river. The volunteers also removed plastic and other waste from the sites. Advisor of JNGVO P. Somendro said that Sengmai River is the lifeline of people of Kaching and Kairak Wabogai. Somendro urged the people to keep the river clean. Lamp lighting and oath-taking ceremony of first batch of Caesar Academy of Nursing San Langol was held today at the auditorium of Caesar Hospital, Imphal. 30 nurses took part in this ceremony along with family and faculty members. SAN is a unit of Caesar Foundation. The event was also attended by Chairman of Caesar Hospital Dr. K.H. Palin and Examination Controller of Manipuri University A. Narayan Singh. Speaking at the function, Dr. Palin said that the hospital had to overcome the problem of lack of infrastructure and also many difficulties while establishing the nursing academy. But the hospital will continue to work hard to achieve the targeted goal. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawagi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changnai na coaching tawhanba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
SV Gadwell School, Hotel Thangjam Khuro, Imphal Espangi Road presents Run Gadwell Run, a cross-country road with the theme Believe in Yourself on Sunday the 15th of December 2019. Why we run? Mind cleaning, time for ourselves, time with friends, teaches us to keep moving forward. Lastly, to believe that you can achieve what you have dreamed of.
Dakshila Institute, admission open, courses on offer. Dakshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Dakshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Dakshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 passed and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry, if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Dakshila Imphal branch at Dakshila Heights, Thamaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Adomgi gari edu mangkhini haibagi hojikti mipaningai oidre. Subnatagi lupa 2,500 piba Vedlock hairiba vehicle anti-theft lock asina irai laina ngakthokpa ngamle. Device installation su free oijagani. Ngasimang lengsin biro Kulhu Techno Solution, Friends Colony, Mantripukri, Imphal. Buy online at kulhu.com. Phone number 70051117881 natraga 9615227146. Sunday open, timing 7 AM to 4 PM.
Welcome back. Youth Development Association Waitoan Maninglekai today organized a free medical camp at Waitoan Maninglekai Community Hall. During the camp, free treatment was given for hypertension, diabetes, kidney and thyroid related problems to around 120 individuals. Alongside, medicines were distributed free of cost. The camp also provided free ECG, blood sugar, urine and thyroid function test. Heart surgeon of Raj Medicity Imphal, Dr. K.S.H. Kala said the camp provides an opportunity to poor people. Nehru Yuva Kendra NYK Bishnupur, Sandhong Farmer Club and Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons Manipur Bishnupur Unit jointly organized an awareness program on Rights of Persons with Disability Act 2016 Act Kwakta Sandhong Makhalika yesterday. Youth Coordinator NYK Bishnupur Dr. Salam Dhanachandra, Upapradhan of Kwakta Gram Panchayat, Maibam Purnima Devi and member Saugrakpam Kunzikishore attended the program. National awardee Laimium Amarendra Sharma and District Social Welfare Officer and Jyoti Singh spoke on the act as resource persons during the awareness program. A trailer truck collided with a passenger bus in eastern Guatemala yesterday, killing at least 21 people and leaving a dozen wounded. According to the National Disaster Agency, it has been reported that 9 of the dead were minors. Volunteers firefighters told media the truck appeared to have collided with the bus from behind in the municipality of Golan, roughly 150 kilometers east of Guatemala City. Photos of the scene show the truck topple onto its side along a curb on the two-lane highway, with the bus a little further ahead, its rear section destroyed. Media reports said the bus had been headed from the northeastern Pathan region to the capital. It said the injured were taken to several hospitals in the region. Initial reports indicate that the trailer truck was speeding when it collided with the bus on a curb. The drivers of both vehicles have been detained for questioning. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, India's Mairaba Luwang leap up to his top billing to win the Bangladesh Junior International Series 2019 at Dhaka today. Top seeded Mairaba, who hails from Manipur, beat Ken Yong-ong 21-14, 21-18 in the final, lasting 38 minutes. Mairaba had defeated another Malaysian, M. Fazriq Mohammad Rafiq, in the semi-finals. He was one of the 5 Indians in the men draw. Mairaba had also clinched the boys singles under-19 title at the Woncheon Yonex Korea Junior Open International Challenge last month. Under the supervision of Loktak Brigade, the Kangwai Battalion today organized a Run for Peace mini marathon 2019 at Sendra of Bishnupur district. The marathon was flagged off by Brigadier Sanjeev Kumar in the presence of Thanga MLAT Robindro, Superintendent of Police Bishnupur, Priyadarshini Laishram and other dignitaries. Talking to reporters, Brigadier Sanjeev Kumar said that the mini marathon was conducted to strengthen the bond between security forces and public, apart from spreading awareness on preservation of the Loktak Lake. Around 1,000 individuals from across the state took part in the marathon held in the categories of men and women. Cash prizes, citation and medals were given to all the winners. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Some external forces attempting to incite hatred among people, says Arkenimai. Concerned citizens from Northeast stage protest against Citizenship Amendment Act at Jantar Mantar. And after Imachinghi, indigenous bay leaf herbal tea getting popular in Manipur. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.